In the midst of the pandemic, used safety gear in hospitals, which is used surgical gloves or used PPE kits or other equipment, needs to be disposed of very judicially because these can be virus spreaders. But shockingly, this is a scam that has been unearthed in raids that have been conducted by the UP police, where a gang was involved in selling discarded gloves after repackaging them. 2 people so far have been arrested. A huge consignment of used gloves was in fact nabbed in 100 sacks in the Kahira village in Bulandshahr. A senior police officer says that the gang used to collect discarded gloves from hospitals, later sell them in bulk. Used to collect in the sense this is something that has been going on for quite some time. First, let's take a listen in to the remark that has come in from the SSP Bulandshahr.
देखिए, कहीं से स्थानीय पुलिस को एक गोपनीय सूचना मिली थी कि कोई एक ऐसा गिरोह है जो यूज्ड मास्क और हैंड ग्लव्स आदि का इस्तेमाल कर रहा है और बड़े पैमाने पे किसी हॉस्पिटल से ला के डंप किया गया है। इसको सफाई करके इसका दोबारा मिसयूज किए जाने की संभावना है। इस सूचना पर पुलिस ने छापेमारी की, बरामद हुआ है। एसडीएम तहसीलदार मौके पर पहुंच गए हैं। उनके द्वारा फर्द बनाई जा रही है। महामारी अधिनियम के अंतर्गत वैधानिक कार्रवाई सुनिश्चित की जाएगी।
A case has been filed now. This is section under certain sections of the IPC. Also, provisions of the Epidemic Diseases Act has been invoked in this case here as well. We have with us our correspondent Alok getting us further inputs. Alok, are these stringent sections? Because this was not just in wanting to make a quick buck, in making a fast buck, but also intentionally jeopardizing the lives of several people in the midst of this pandemic with the virus.
Yes, Sahar, absolutely. And in fact, this is the horrific disease, and definitely the stringent section should be added into this FIR, which was registered at Kotwali Dehat police station in Bulandshahr. Remember, this case is worked out by the local police when they got the secret information that there are some sacks are kept in a godown, and these sacks were carrying some used masks and gloves. And these are the items which are supposed to be destroyed through biomedical system, but that was not happening, and definitely there might be some involvement of the hospitals or those people who are involving in the destroying of these items through biomedical wastes through these persons. These are the gang members who are managing to collect these items, and they were trying and they were going to reuse these items, and that is why they had collected it. What we are getting to know from our sources that these items were collected from Delhi and NCR region, and in fact there are trucks which were used for transporting these items, and then after cleaning them, they were again sent to the market so that they can be sold. So this is the whole process, and this is the modus operandi of this gang. However, the police said that the 2 persons have been arrested. One person is among those who was owning that godown in that particular area, and there is one relative who used to work in a factory. That factory is a plastic factory, but police suspect that the factory owner is the person who might be involved in this whole racket, because police, when interrogated those persons, they told that they were not aware of the fact that these sacks are containing these items, and police now further going deeper into it, and they say that they have conducted raid in various places in Delhi and NCR so that they could reach out to that person. But as of now, the case has been registered. 2 persons have been arrested, but police say that this is a big racket, and definitely this is not the one case. Several other places, some similar kind of activities are going on. Back to you.
All right, that's only further horrifying given the fact that the police indicating that there are many more similar rackets that needs an immediate crackdown on. Alok, thank you for getting us those details.